I make this dessert, everyone asks me for the recipe. To a blender, start by adding 340 grams of heavy cream, 240 grams of cream cheese, 395 grams pack of condensed milk. Transfer all this cream to a large bowl. I'm using 450 grams of peaches previously drained. Cut 200 grams of green seedless grapes in half. Also cut 3 apples, 250 grams of strawberries. Now cut 3 ripe pears. Also add these diced pears to the cream using a spatula or spoon. Mix it all together very well. After that, add 100 grams of peeled chopped walnuts. Also add 100 grams of raisins. Mix it all together very well. Take it to the fridge and let it chill for at least 3 hours. After this indicated time, transfer this salad to a nice glass dish. That recipe is ready. I really hope you like this recipe. Thank you for sharing this recipe. See you next recipe. Bye.